Ryan Squishy Panda. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I love his squishies. Comment down below if you watch Ryan's World channel. Well, it looks like Biggie has a note for us. Can we cut it open? I want to know what's inside. Love, Biggie. Oh boy. Oh boy. Want to cut this guy open? Okay. This is a really fun squishy, actually. Okay, let's get to it. Comment down below if you think slime's gonna be inside. Okay, let's see if there's slime. Oh, nope, no slime. Let's rip it. So satisfying, isn't it? Just love watching these. It's so neat. Comment down below if you've ever ripped your squishy in half. Well, this is what it looks like inside. Let's give it one big squish. Well, if you like this video down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.